Hi, Sophia. So I'm going to run through your quiz with you to show you where you made your mistakes. I'm going to reassign you a Math Excel practice, and then you can retake the quiz. For the first one, it says choose yes or no for a given if a ratio is equivalent. To make equivalent ratios, there's only two ways to do that. The only ways that you can make an equivalent ratio is to multiply or divide. If you add or subtract, that's not going to make an equivalent ratio. It's only multiply or divide. So for this one, they give us the ratio of 4 to 12. So that's written right here. I'm going to write it because for me, it's easier to see it in fraction form. So they want a number that goes with 20 to something. We look at from 4 to 20, it's times 5. So 12 times 5, and you can use a calculator, is 60. So that's the first one. The second one says something to 36. 12 times what gives me 36? 3. 4 times 3 is 12. So that answers 12. You actually, you got that one right. And for the last one, it's something to 6. So I say, how do I get from 12 to 6? Well, I'm getting smaller, so I have to divide. 12 divided by 2 is 6. 4 divided by 2 is 2. All right, so that's the answers to the second question. Number 4, you got some of these right. So we have the pizzeria. It's using 3 pounds of cheese for 8 pizzas. How many pounds of cheese for 60 pizzas? You found that 8 into 60 is 7.5. So that's correct. That means this was multiplied by 7.5. So each ratio should be multiplied by 7.5 in order to get the ratio. The pizzeria needs about 3 times 7.5, which gives you 22.5. So this is the only part where you made the mistake there. This one, you just had to select all that apply. So we have 6 to 16. All right, so you said 12 to 18. How can I get from 6 to 12? I can times 2. How can I get from 16 to 18? Not times 2. That one doesn't work. Okay, so if that's not right, what is right? Well, if we can multiply and divide by 6 and 16 and get the answer. So 2 to 8. Can I get from 6 to 2? I can divide by 3. If I divide 16 by 3, do I get 8? No, not right. How about 3 to 8? How do I get from 6 to 3? 6 divided by 2 is 3. 16 divided by 2 is 8. Yay, that one works. Okay, I have one left, 30 to 80. 6 times what gives me 30? Times 5. 16 times 5 gives me 80. So that one works. All right, I want you to watch this video, and when you're done, tell me, ask me any more questions that you have, and I will reassign a paper quiz that you can type out the answers to, and I can regrade for a retake. All right, good luck.